If you're a fresher or a beginner, or if you're trying to join a new company or a firm, you need to know these top technical terms as a UX UI designer. Let's get into that. First one is A/B testing. A/B testing is when you test two different versions of online content with users to see which one they prefer. API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and API is how computer and an application shares information to each other. For example, an app finds the current weather in a country by sending the message to an API, and the API returns with the structured response. Automation testing. Automation testing is when a QA uses an automation tool to do a test on a software application. Agile. Agile is an incremental software development technique. It focuses on keeping code simple, testing often, and delivering functional parts of the application as soon as they are ready. Avatar. Now, an avatar refers to a character that represents an online user. They are mostly used in gaming and online communities. And backend. Backend in development is kind of engine room for a software and an IT system. Backend developers deals with what powers the site and its core functionality. The front end is what you see and interact with. Sprint. Sprint is of two types. One is design sprint and another one is development sprint. Design sprint can be 5-day process which will answer all the critical questions in a business with design, prototyping and testing ideas with customers. And development sprint mostly goes through like 14-day process. They split up the development of product or a project into various MVPs to get into a final one. Beacon technology. Beacon technology allows mobile apps to understand their position on a micro-local scale. It can send relevant contextual content to the users based on their location. It uses Bluetooth technology. Bug. A software bug is a problem causing a program to crash or produce an invalid input. Most bugs are due to human errors. Chatbot. Chatbot is a service that you interact with via a chat interface. The ending result is like to chatting with a friend, but except the friend is a computer. CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. It's a computer application that creates and manages the digital content. CRM software. CRM software is a customer relationship management. It's a software that stores customer contact information such as name, email ID, address, etc. Commits. Developer create commits. Jake Boxer gave a proper explanation on this. Like for example, commit is a snapshot of your files. A commit is a snapshot of your files. So if you are in a process of creating a model aeroplane and every time you reach a good stopping point, you want to take a picture. And in the future, you can be able to see what are the functions, like what it was before and the various stages when you dropped. So the same way, maybe in the future, you can go back through the photos and see what it was at the various stages. Same way it works for the project as well, project or a product. When you're building something and you like to take a snapshot of each of your files, and then you can be able to refer it in the future. CSS we all know, of course. CSS is a cascading style sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen. HTML is a structure, CSS is a style, and JavaScript is a behavior. DevOps focuses on fast technology delivery through the use of agile development. Data science. This is the art of uncovering trends and insights within the data. With these insights, a business can explore ideas and make strategic choices. Emoticons. Yeah, of course, we were using it in earlier days. This is a typographic display of a facial representation to convey emotion. GIF stands for graphic interchange format. A GIF is a never-ending loop of videos or images. Yeah, these are the top technical terms that is being used. You might be able to hear it in the company or if you're working with a team. Still, there are a lot of technical terms we need to know. Maybe we can see it in another video if time permits. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it. Thank you. Bye bye.